Hello folks, this is Al from Open Source Channel, and welcome again for this small short video. I would like to present a course that I have created, a mini course that I'm selling it over through thinkific.com. You can find some of the information here on my community page. You can go straight to the course by clicking on this link here, or you can go to my website where you will be redirected to this page where you can find a little bit more about the course. Of course, you can sign free of charge of Thinkific, so you can actually view the preview if you wanted to, and if you are interested you can actually buy the course for $59.99. And by doing so, you're helping the channel, and I can make more videos for free on YouTube by buying new licenses for products that I'm going to show you. But logically, some people are a little bit reluctant to pay the $59.99. So what I'm going to do as well, I'm going an extra mile for you, and for the first 10 people who purchase this mini course, I'm going to give you a, let's go back here, 1 year shared hosting for free. Yes, 1 year shared hosting for free. All you need is a domain name. Once you purchase, you come in this page, you give me your name, your email address, and some of the transaction details. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I go to, for example, buy $59.99, whatever you put here, name, surname, email address, don't give me your password. I don't need that. All I need, for example, is your domain name, for example, in the transaction details. And I'm going to send you some information that you need to add through your registrar, for example, the NS, the name server, so you can redirect to the server. And I'm going to set up for you for 1 year, free of charge, for one domain, 2 subdomains, 5 GB disk space, a limited bandwidth, 2 email accounts, and I'm going to help you as well. I can install WordPress for you, and I also can, if you want to, I can actually install the blog itself if you really need help for that as well. So you can actually practice, so what you're learning here, you can practice in real life with a free account. I would like to say thank you very much to all my followers, and don't forget to like and share my videos. And if you go, and buy this course and help in the channel, I'll be very glad to help you and set up the free 1 year shared hosting. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.